Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to make loading screen in Figma. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now before we start, if you're searching for a cutting-edge design and collaboration software, click the link in the description box below to get started with Figma today. Now as you can see right now on our screen, we are currently in Figma. And let's start with selecting our design that we would like to create a progress bar or a loading screen on. Now for me, I created a mobile application design and I would like to incorporate or I would like to create a design as well for a loading screen. So there are different types of loading screen. You have loading screen, as you can see if you search in the internet, there will be multiple types. You have like a progress bar over here, a loading screen with a circular motion as you can see here, or like a percentage bar, and many more. There's a lot of different types of progress bar, and one of the most common progress bar out there is like a bar, where our loading screen is a progress bar. So let's show you how you can create a progress bar. Now I have this design, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply duplicate it because you're going to need to have the same frame as, of course. And I'm going to remove this other parts over here, just like that. And what I would like to have, or what I would like to remain here on our workplace right now, is this logo that I have over here. So let's actually make our logo bigger. There we go. And the loading screen is going to be both very important and not important as well in terms of your design. So right now, the loading screen that I'm going to be showing you guys will not be the animated or with the prototype one. I'm just going to show you how you could create the design, which is a static design, not the animated version where you will be able to see it loading up or like doing some movements, but we're just going to stick with the static one and I'm going to show you how to do it. And if ever you want to make an animation later on, there will be videos that will be uploaded in our YouTube channel how you could do just that. But for now, let's go with this one. Now, I would like to create a progress bar. First, the progress bar is very simple. It only consists of a rectangle shape over here. So simply draw a very simple rectangle shape just like that. And let's make the center. There we go. Let's change the background to, let's say, black, I guess. And there we go. Now, some application out there actually has this type of progress bar where it will just fill up just like that slowly into a specific section. But to make it more interesting or to make it much better, what we could do is we could duplicate this, make it into a white color, and make it a bit smaller. Just like that. Then put it inside the block box. There we go. And as you can see, you will have like some sort of loading screen or like progress bar effect over here. You could also do the opposite color where the background is white and the inside is black. And I use white inside because of our background over here. Let's actually get some text over here so that we could have like some title of our product over here. There we go. Then simply put our title over here, Jim Go. Now the design is completely up to you, but I'm going with this design for now, as you can see here. Very simple design. Let me make this into black so that it's extra thick. There we go. So this is our loading screen right now. Now what we could do to improve our design is we could highlight it both and make it a bit curvy. There we go. You will be able to add some curve effect on your progress bar or your loading screen. So we have something very similar to this. So if you're just a front-end developer, you could do just this and let your back-end developer create the design or create the progress that you want to visualize and want to see, something like that. Now there's also the circular motion where we could create a progress bar as well with that. So let me make this one color black. Let's actually do it again. What we're going to need to do is to hold shift. There we go. Turn it to black and zoom in. As you can see, you will be able to see this arc option. So simply open that. Then you will be able to see another line over here. What we could do is let's select this one, or was it this one? This one. You have to select the center button over here and make it closer to the ratio. And now you have like some sort of circular motion animation over there, or like a circular motion loading screen, as you can see here. Then you can just indicate to your front-end developer what that is. You can also add like another circle over here as like an extra design. Then like this, make it black as well, and let's make it a bit bigger, or just put it in the center over here, just like that, so that it's not a bit it's just slightly noticeable. It's not going to be perfect, of course, but we'll deal with, or we'll be satisfied with this one for now, or just like that. Let's leave that for now, but you could have that as your other type as well, other type of loading screen. It's like that. There are also many other types of loading screen. Like I mentioned earlier, if you want to have an animation or like a loading screen that does some animation, you can also wait for the video to be uploaded on how you will be able to do that. But you could do your design as simple as what we saw, or what we did just now. As you can see here, you don't need too much information, just a very simple pop-up within the progress bar, or like whatever type of design that you chose over here below. So that's basically it. That's how you will be able to create a loading screen in Figma. Simply go with the main design of your application or your website, or whatever you will be creating, or whatever design that you have, and you could do just that. And if you want complicated ways or complicated styles of loading screen, make sure that you can collaborate with your backend developer first before you create the design, because sometimes we could easily create great designs or great animation with Figma, but it will turn out too difficult for your developer or your partner in designing, because not all designs can easily be replicated, especially if it came from Figma. But there we go. We have a very simple design over here of progress bar loading screen. Now you could use this loading screen over here for every transition. For example, from sign up, you will see here, and from login, you will see it as well, something like that. You could utilize a loading screen as simple as that. So that's basically it, guys. So you could do that for websites or application or any type of app that you have or software, and that is how you will be able to do all progress. So if you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.